Ever found yourself staring at your phone, wondering where that FaveDeals or FavePay refund has gone? It's a common scenario. You've made a purchase, something went awry, and now you're patiently, or perhaps impatiently, waiting for your money back. But how exactly does Fave process those refunds? Is it instant? Does it go back to your original payment method? And what if it's Fave credits or cashback involved? Understanding the refund process for FaveDeals and FavePay can feel a bit like navigating a maze, especially with different payment methods and cancellation policies in play. It's not always a straightforward money back in your bank situation. Sometimes, your refund might come in the form of Fave credits, which can be a pleasant surprise for future purchases, but at other times, you're looking for that direct cash return. This video is going to break down exactly how Fave handles refunds, covering the different scenarios and what you can expect, so you're never left in the dark. Let's dive into the specifics, starting with the most common scenarios. If you purchased a Fave deal voucher or made a FavePay transaction using a debit or credit card, and you've canceled it within the allowed time frame, the refund is typically processed back to your original card of payment. Now, here's the crucial part, the waiting period. For card refunds, you can generally expect the money to reflect in your account within 7 to 14 working days. This time frame is largely dependent on your bank's processing times, so while Fave might initiate the refund quickly, your bank still needs to do its part. What if you used an e-wallet, like Boost or GrabPay, for your Fave purchase? This is where things get a bit faster. For cancellations made for Fave deals purchased via e-wallets, the refund is usually processed back to your original e-wallet within 24 to 48 hours from the time of cancellation. This quicker turnaround is one of the advantages of using e-wallets for your transactions. It's important to note that this swift refund process applies to cancellations made from February 5, 2021 onwards, and on Fave app versions 2.9, 2.0, and above. For purchases made before this date, or on older app versions, refunds might have been issued as Fave cashback with a 3-month validity period. Now, let's talk about Fave cashback and Fave e-cashback. If your purchase was made using these Fave-specific currencies, any refunded amount will be credited back to you in their original form. This means if you paid with Fave cashback, you will get Fave cashback back, and it will retain its original validity period. This ensures that you don't lose out on the value of your cashback. If a purchase was made using a combination of your original payment method and Fave cashback/e-cashback, the refund will be split accordingly, with the respective amounts going back to your source of funds and your Fave account. It's essential to remember that not all Fave deals are cancelable. The cancellation policy is usually clearly stated on the deal page, so always double-check before making a purchase if flexibility is a concern for you. If you accidentally purchase a non-cancelable voucher or miss the cancellation deadline, reaching out to Fave's customer happiness team is your next step. You can contact them via email at hello@myfave.com or through the Talk to Us feature within the Fave app. While a refund isn't guaranteed in such cases, they will review your situation and assist where possible. Finally, if you're a merchant using FavePay and need to cancel a transaction, the process is slightly different. If it's within 24 hours, you can cancel directly in FaveBiz, and the refund is immediate. After 24 hours, you'll need to contact the partner management team with details like the receipt ID and reason for the refund. These refunds also go back to the customer's original mode of payment, following the timeframes we've discussed. Understanding these different avenues for refunds on Fave can save you a lot of headache and ensure you know exactly what to expect. Whether it's a direct bank transfer, a speedy e-wallet refund, or credits back to your Fave account, knowing the process empowers you to manage your transactions effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.